Hello YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. This is your host Manish, back to another video. Today I have a very special thing coming, that is I modified my Splendor, which I personally have it to sound more like a KTM bike. So stay tuned and keep watching the video.
Right now we are going to open air filter of Hero Honda Splendor Plus. प्लस थोड़ा लेट वाला मुझे डाउट था कि प्लस है नहीं है. Manish is opening the filter. दोस्तों आप सुन सकते हो आवाज, कितनी बढ़िया आवाज आ रही है, एकदम KTM वाली. अगर आप अपना एयर फिल्टर निकालते हो तो
So this is how we did it, and we removed the air filter from the bike and let the bike run, and you can feel that sound, that KTM sound that the bike has got. Now coming to the point that if you remove the air filter, does it affect your engine or the mileage of it? Yes, truly it will affect, because air filter is meant for the same purpose, to filter your air so that your engine can run smooth. And if you are using it for a long while, because I personally used it, and the mileage reduced. My Splendor used to give me like 50, it comes around to be like 35 something. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, please drop a comment down below.